Hey guys, Old Beater Cars Workshop. Well, we got some new models for the stash. I'll clean my bench off here. Anyways, I've been waiting for these for a while. Took a while to get here, but look at this. Haha. It is a Hazagawa Volkswagen Type 2 pickup truck. 1967. So took me a while to find these. I found a guy on YouTube, on eBay that I really like, and his prices are quite reasonable, but they come from Japan, so can't really complain. So, but I bought quite a few models from the same guy. So this is the historic car series. Now, the little Volkswagen pickup brings back a lot of memories because we saw this old guy used to come around fixing our furnace many years ago. Had an old oil furnace, and he had one of these Volkswagen pickups, and the guy was really nice to me all the time. So he actually taught me how to, as a teenager, I guess, and he taught me how to fix the oil furnace. There's little points on the oil furnace, and basically what happens, they carbon up. And he says you got to clean these points all the time so you keep the furnace running tip top. And since I learned that, I just kept on doing the same thing. And when the old fart passed away, I remembered how he did that stuff and always kept the old furnace going. So it has a lot of memories, this kit. Hazagawa, you guys, this is a pretty good kit. 1/24 scale. So there you go, that one. There's more. Now, here's another kit, another Hazagawa kit. Aha! You guys know how I like Hondas. So there's another favorite of mine. It's a 1969 Honda N360. The Hazagawa kit, historic car series, number 21, 1/24 scale. And there's a guy I know on YouTube. He goes by the name of, it's the same guy who I told you about the other Honda I was working on there, and the S800. And this is the same guy. He has one just like this too. Actually, he built one, and he put another motorcycle engine in it. And he goes by the name of CC Runner. If you ever want to check out his material on YouTube. So yeah, so he basically took this car, was destined for the junkyard, and he did a few modifications, and he put it under a Miata chassis, and he uses the Honda VRF 800cc engine, motorcycle engine. They're a 4-cylinder, a V4, so they're kind of cool. So anyways, very interesting kit. I really like the Hondas. I don't know, it's called me weird. Well, I am weird, but anyways, but yeah, this is a very, very cool kit, so I really like it. So now for the stash. Okay. So you guys know. Oh, actually, I'm gonna get another one here. Now, here is another Honda. Aha. Takamiya, how you want to say it? It's a Honda V3 360. It's a little bit newer model than the other one I just showed you. And yeah, this is a very cool car too. I think the other one there actually had a better look to it, but they're all kind of cool. So I just love these. I just love these Hondas. I just really do like them. Let's start looking down stuff. But yeah. And this is a 1/18th scale. Bit different. Well, they're so damn tiny, right? So this 1/18th scale might be equivalent to a 1/24 scale. So they're kind of small. But anyways, very cool kit. And not very many of these. I looked and looked and looked on eBay, and I found this guy from Japan. He sells them, and really good kit. Okay. Now for motorcycles. You guys know I really like motorcycles. I seem to take a real liking to building them and such, and people really like the motorcycles. So, how about that one? Tamiya always makes really good motorcycle kits. The Ducati 916. A friend of mine has one of these, and it goes like a bat out of hell. So he actually imported it. I think it came from Japan. So it was an import motorcycle, and the thing just goes. It's not. He races it too. So, but yeah, it's a really cool bike. And this is actually a 1/12 scale. So yeah, it's highly detailed, liquid cooled engine, L twin power plant, solid rubber like tires, exact tread pattern, steerable front forks, brakes, and clutch lines. So, you know, very interesting. Yeah. So, anyways, stay tuned for part 2.